Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and these are the Lcherry Chunky Gold Hoop Lightweight Teardrop Earrings. Oh my god, I fell in love with these earrings the moment that I had them on my hands. They feel so lightweight, they don't feel heavy at all. I'm super happy with these earrings. I can be choose casual with them, whatever I'm wearing. I can just put the earrings, and I feel fancy already with them. I feel that I can put any kind of outfit, and these earrings will go with anything. I really love the fact that they're really polished and they don't have any seam, so they look really nice to the touch and to the eye. I really feel like they're super high quality, and that's my point of view.